Live from the world's capital markets, here are the financial headlines, brought to you by Kwakol.
Hello and welcome to Tuesday's Daily Financial Digest.
The dollar advanced after strong consumer spending data pointed to persistent underlying inflation pressure, cooling bets that the US Federal Reserve could signal a slowdown in its aggressive monetary policy tightening campaign. Russian President Vladimir Putin has sunk his country's economy outside of the still lucrative oil exports, a Biden administration official said, as Russia largely retreats from the global economy amid its invasion of Ukraine. Russia's gross domestic product will shrink 3.4% this year. Global population is growing by over 70 million per year, with 80% of that growth concentrated in the poorest countries least equipped to feed, educate or employ these additional people. The dollar rose 0.6% against the yen in the last trading session. The MACD is giving a negative signal. The Bitcoin dollar pair dove 1% in the last session. The RSI is giving a positive signal. The last session saw the gold fall 0.6% against the dollar. The stochastic RSI is giving a negative signal, which matches our overall technical analysis. The oil-dollar pair dove 2.5% in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal. Germany's import price index will be released at 0700 hours GMT. The Dutch Markit Manufacturing PMI at 0800 hours GMT. Japan's BOJ monetary policy meeting minutes at 2350 GMT. Japan's Jibun Bank Manufacturing PMI will be released at 0000 hours and 30 minutes GMT. The US ISM Manufacturing Employment Index at 1400 hours GMT. Australia's RBA Rate Statement at 0330 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Tuesday's financial report. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.